Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. So, as we are gathered here for the climate crisis, and I am Sheikh Ram Dastagir, the campaign coordinator of TCD Screen Club, and the selected member of Top U Reporter by UNICEF India. So, it's nice to have a gathering on the climate crisis and see the enthusiasm among the students. Also, it's better platform to give us the idea to present what we have conducted last year and for now in our club. The second point with my colleague Tabris Tisekar, ex Vice President and the Advisory Board of Green Club. Today we are going to talk you and take your journey, what we have conducted and how much impact we have created to the TCD's Green Club. From Tagore College of Engineering and Technology, Kandivali. So before going towards the PPT, I would like to ask you a question. Has everyone or anyone from here had taken any activity in the environmental activities? So because of the time, we won't go ahead with that. Like, if not, we will introduce some of the activities which you can, at personal level, you can be implementing in your own life. So the first one is the Wireless app and the self-paced briefing seminar.
In the previous presentation, it was mentioned that there was in the D.Y. Patil University itself, in the month of October, last month itself, there was a session conducted on youth engagement and water stewardship program. So one of the biggest motive of this program is to make and create awareness that water is a renewable resource. It is a non-renewable resource, and it is going to end if we keep consuming at such a fast pace and if we keep wasting it. And to prevent that from happening, it is very important that we calculate our water footprint like we calculate our carbon footprint. So one of the ways to do that is the Y-Waste app. You can find it on the Play Store. And what we at our college do is create awareness with respect to that app. And as you can clearly see on the screen, till date, it has been almost a year on the app, and till date, our students, 168 students have been registered on the app, and till date, we have able to save 13,604 cubic meters of water. This water is enough to fill 5.5 Olympic-sized swimming pools in just a year. Continuing with this, we also, as a part of this program, we also conduct water audits across our campus. So we track the water from the point it originates at our campus to the point it is being utilized. We calculate each and everything. And there's also a small thing that we do is we find the leaky taps or wherever there is a leakage. And due to time restrictions, I won't be going into the mathematics of it, but even a single leaky tap wastes a lot of water, and even single drop counts. We also conduct many fun activities. Again, we are a college club, a college student club. So again, we cannot be, that we have to engage our youth actively, and we conduct poster making activities. And one of our students also had the opportunity to win the MICA's poster making competitions.
So here we have the green jobs and career webinars. It's important that we as a technological degree college, we talks about how the students can divert their technological degree with the help of the green jobs and the career. Like the connection of the technology along with the sustainability, how they can improve. With the time we are seeing the technological advancement is there. There is a lot of waste generated like the e-waste you can see, which we will be talking about in the further slides. So the activities was conducted by in collaboration with the Venus Waste platform, and it was amazing. The response given by the students was amazing because of the green jobs and the career webinars, which actually integrate the seed of the taking the participation in those fields also. Then we have the water conservation seminar. Again, it was taken by most of the delegates sitting over here, like Abhyut Abhyankar sir, then we have Balaji sir, and other important person, which talks about how the water conservation should be done. Where people have the knowledge about it from the childhood, but we just remember how the modern time has taken, how the modern method has failed to conserve the water, and how we can improve on it, how we can utilize the water in a more efficient way. The response from the student was amazing. Around 200 or 250 students were there to present over there. The search seminar was recorded and it was circulated in all our branches. The further we have is the Nirmalya event. Again, as you can see, there is a festival, and the best time to make awareness is where people get collective at one place, and it is the festival time. At this time, we have the Nirmalya event. Nirmalya is the things which we get after performing the puja and activities. We just use, usually people throw it out, but we got the awareness session, and through which we got people to make something out of it. As you can see, the idols made up of the clay, of the soils, which is conducted in our college itself. Then we have some of the other ways of making idols through the coconut. Then we have also made some decorative products using the different flowers and different things. Next we have the EcoSpark Week. Again, as I said, it's when it is a festival, it's a very good time to make awareness among the people. Here we have integrated it among all the colleges and other different people, students, to celebrate the Diwali vacation in a very good way, in a eco-friendly way. Where we have monitored them by uploading the various rangolis made through flowers and different colors, which are not that harmful. Then we have other activities you can see in the photos where the people have tagged all those the organization which works around climate. This season, this festival, and this all those activities creates a lot of awareness through social media, because the time of social media where people are getting knowledge more. It's actually the bad, but it's a very good way that the modern generation, the Gen Z which we call, can be get education through these activities. And again, it's a very good utilization of the social media. Then we have the Gen Z campaign. It's again the huge 1 or 1.5 month event where we conducted the Gen Z campaign. Campaign was all about around the e-waste collection. It was actually organized by the 1 Million and 1 Billion Foundation and the Open India. Here we have taken a week's the session was conducted 2 to 3 times, 4 to 5 times at the weekends. Then we have conducted the poster making competition. We have taken the pledge that what we are going to conduct and what we are not. Then we have taken the quizzes to get the knowledge that how much students have regarding the e-waste collection. The further we have is the last 3-day event, a technical event where around 10,000 students come to visit our college. A 3-day event where we have settled the e-waste collection drive, and around 5 to 10 kg we have collected e-waste, and we have given it to the recycling unit, which again gave us the idea that climate crisis is not just about taking the talking about the plastic and the trees. It's all about with the advancement in the technology, it's all about the electronic also.
As we can see that today's event is about addressing climate crisis through youth action and multimedia. So one of the perfect examples that we did was we screened a documentary called The Burning. It's about the wildfires that Australia faced in the year 2019 to 2020, and it was because of the temperatures that are rising and that are creating actually inhumane conditions for the people of Australia to habit there. Next, we have also did a resource redistribution campaign where we redistributed more than 1,000 books among the students itself. So we created a campaign where we could, just again redistribute the stationeries used by the students of our college to our students of our college. Next, we also do many cleanup drives. We have completed quite a few beach cleanup drives and mangrove cleanup drives, and we have been able to collect quite a lot of waste from them.
Yes, again, the most important thing is the tree plantation drive. As sir mentioned in the speech, that tree plant and also in the movie of the Amit sir Tigdam, how the students get collected and they bring a lot of change in the city by cleaning the city. And again, this was the not just the college activity, it was the community, the whole student from the senior KG to the degree colleges come together to have a community drive on a tree plantation. It was again backed by the NGO named Green Nagar Project by the Zidane Castellano, the youngest among the environmentalists. And it also showcased in a newspaper like Midday and the Free Press Journal. Then we have the Green Yoga workshop, the most memorable activity in my life. Again, done by the most important person, Abdul Abhankar sir, Yusuf sir was there, Priyanka ma'am was there, to give us the information not just about the climate crisis and all those things, but also how the body posture should be there. And it also include the activities like making the poster making competitions and other activities where we have given some of the problem statement like how we can generate the revenue out of it. We were made a group of students to participate. As sir was mentioning, as I met him last time also, and whenever I meet him, I get to know something new. So this time I got the statements are tell that we don't have the planet B. So just some of the few scene of that Avatar movie came to my mind. But again, those planet was attacked by invaded by some of the bad peoples. But as I can see, the lead roles and the heroes and the heroine were there with a good heart to help them to save that planet B. And I can see some of or all of the and many of the heroes in heroine and heroes sitting over here to save the planet A. It's our mother earth.
In conclusion, I would like to emphasize on the widespread belief or perception that we have that climate change is an enormous challenge and we are not doing enough to address it. But that's not entirely accurate. Let me tell you a fact. All the activities that we have done till now, TCT's Green Club run on a zero budget. So basically whatever the activities you saw have been either in collaboration with some NGO or have been completely executed by us. I would like to say that we are so fortunate to be at such a point of climate change that if we want to initiate action, we don't have to look too far from ourselves. There are quite a lot of enthusiastic people like our organization. There are many organizations that are taking action and we encourage you to do the same. And if there are going to be any change makers, if there's going to be someone who's going to slow the pace of climate change, it's going to be you, it's going to be you, it's going to be you. Thank you, everyone.